Hey guys, what's up YouTube? Today we're playing Mari0. CDO was replaced with a 0 because this is Mario and Portal combined. I was playing co-op mode with my sibling earlier, so that's why player 2 shows Sonic, because we were both playing as Sonic while I was playing, but I'm switching to play as Luigi for this video now. We got map packs, so we can play Mario levels, Portal. This one basically turns the game into Sonic CD. You can time travel. This one has an evil brick chasing you. I don't really know what this one is. I haven't played it yet. This one is really fast paced. Actually, I'll play this one since I like it a lot. So, we got the portal gun. Oh wait, hold up, I gotta... There we go. Actually, mapped my controls wrong. So those signs give us time, and coins also give us an extra second. And then if we collect all those pieces of star, we get another star power up. So this is really fast paced and you have very low times, so you need to collect as much as you can and get to the end of the level. And you got the portal gun to help you out. Well, unless you turn on something in the menu like classic mode on that removes the portal, or Cappy that adds Cappy from Mario Odyssey, so you can throw your hat and become the enemy. Okay, now just gotta run and boom. Easy. Alright, next level. So, if you're smart enough, if you have a big noggin, then you can do some really cool stuff with the portal gun. That blue goo right there will make us bounce. But if you hold the down arrow, then it won't do anything. Oops. So we gotta get a key. There we go. I just wanted to show how the portal gun works, what it does. I've never actually played any of the portal games, so I wonder how they are. I wonder if they're any good. Oh, come on. So let's see. Just gonna... Oh, actually got a Goombud. I got Goombud. Screw it, I don't need the power star. Oh yeah. Whoa. Get through. Come on, Luigi. I tried to portal my way up there. Try again. Nope, it won't work. Bam. Let's portal our way here. Dang it, I accidentally got rid of my portals. Oh man, I was right there. Oh my god. Dang it. Accidentally aimed my portal wrong. This is awful. Alright. It's a desert. Let's go. Oh, come on. Just barely avoided him. Nope. Alright, bam. Oh, come on. Oh, that was kind of smart. That was the Einstein move. Keep running, keep running. Yeah, let's go. On to this. Also, this map pack has automatically spawning portals in some levels to get from place to place. See? Ah. That orange goo speeds us up. Ooh, went really fast for a second there. Oh! Alright, I'm gonna do something cool. Missed. Hold on, let me try again. Holy cow! That actually worked. Oh my god, that actually works. I like this level a lot, train level. It's fun. There. Okay. Alright, that's genius right there. Genius move with the portal gun. Saves a whole lot of time. Then we can unlock the door with the key. Bam. I'm cooked. Yup. You can't run out of time when you're playing this. Oh my! I missed the cool move with the portal gun. Tried to do something cool with the portal gun, but I couldn't do it. Oh! Alright, star. Nice. That will help a lot. Go, 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 go. Whoa. Alright, nice. Nice, let's go. Bam. Oh god. Died. Just go, 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 go. Oh, oh. Ah. Okay, got all the pieces of star. Nope, that did not work. Okay, let me just do this. I like this level, it's fun. Alright, just climb up the water. Swim up the water. Water elevators. Okay, just go, just go. Okay, enough of this map pack. Let's play the original levels now. Oh yeah, I was playing 2-player as Sonic. Let me go back to Luigi. And I've beaten this map pack before, so that is how I unlocked this right here. You need to beat the original levels to unlock this. And you don't have to do it warpless. You can use warp zones. Okay, so just good old 1-1, level 1. Okay, let's trap the Goomba with this Goomba. Bam. So now, if I do this, I can easily get that one up. Grab fire. Shoot fireballs. Alright, nice. Nice. Alright, let's go through this pipe. So we'll do that real quick. I am going to trap you in this tight space where you can no longer move. Oh! Bam. Just gonna... Oh yeah, let's go. You can use the portal gun to either make things easier or harder. Top of the flagpole, cause I'm the best gamer ever. Let's see, and then we can teleport back to the top if we need it. Sweet. Alright. Nice. Oh. Alright. I got an idea. I guess I can't get back up there. Ugh. Alright, we're gonna fight Bowser. And what I mean by fight him is teleport him out of existence. Alright, Luigi, grab the mushroom, and immediately get hit. I suck at video games. Game over. Let's see. Here, Mario Bros. 1 Reimagined. So, this is a cutscene. The kingdom has been invaded by Koopa Troop, and the residents have been transformed into horse plants. But what's a horse plant? What's a horse plant, though? What? Alright, let's do this. Mari0 1 Reimagines. Can't go in that pipe. What about this one? Nope. We can go in this one. And nice. End of level. Oh! What? I jumped. What's this? Secret area? How did I jump over the flagpole though? I don't understand. Oh. Okay. I'm just gonna end the video here, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you drop a like and subscribe and stuff. Anyway, see ya. Peace out.